Hi, welcome back to this week's RafflesCooks video. At the moment in London, it is freezing. So I thought I'd have a go making SAHLEB, a delicious Middle Eastern, thick, milky drink that tastes amazing. I'm also filming in my mum's kitchen, which means featuring my mum.
Oh, darling. You know, I really like SAHLEB. It's one of my favourite drinks.
But enough about mum, let's make SAHLEB. This whole recipe can be made in a single pot with a tiny whisk. Oh, and at Brian Lagerstrom, I can buy a Blue Le Creuset pot too. Let's roll. So if you're admiring the new camera angle, mum's filming, which is why it might be a little bit shaky, with also comments in the background. We're going to start
from me?
We're going to start with 250 mils of milk, which we're going to add about a couple of tablespoons to our 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, just to make a little slurry. And the rest of the milk we're going to add into a pan on warm. Into our slurry mixture, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of rosewater, 1 big old squidge, or about a teaspoon of vanilla paste, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Feel free to come in close for this angle. That's half a tablespoon. There's another half. And now we're going to add. What was that?
I think you need to put a bit more in.
Oh.
And also, another.
Make sure to keep stirring it constantly. Feel free to get your mum in to stir it, as she's potentially a better cook than you are.
Yeah, you really don't want any lumps in this. It's delicious though.
And what are your thoughts on the RafflesCooks videos in general?
I love the star of the show. This food, that's so.
We'll cut that bit.
Oh, look, it's starting to get thick now.
That's a good looking consistency.
Yeah.
Almost like thin custard.
Yeah, exactly. That's exactly right. It smells divine.
Does smell good. Right, what's the next step after this?
I think we are ready to take it off the heat.
So for the toppings, I'm going to go ahead with some desiccated coconut, some ground cinnamon, and also some nuts. I like to...
Was that a joke?
No, not at all. Turkey.
Tell me that was not an immature joke. Let's have a look. Let me have a look.
Into your mortar and pestle.
Even you pestled a mortar. This is what they should look like.
So nice smallish pieces. Right, it's assembly time. So now it's go time. What's the plan, Mum?
We're going to pour it in here. Oh, look, it's perfect. Nice and thick. Oh, look at that. Wow. Get it right up to the top.
Okay, and there's a knack to decorating, I hear. Even involves a small sketch over there.
It involves a small
So
sketch.
what's the decoration plan?
I think what we're going to do is we're going to put on this half, we're going to put some coconut.
So pistachios on that half, and then finish off with a small amount of...
Cinnamon.
Okay, that looks really good.
I'm going to make it look even prettier.
Absolutely.
Rose petals.
This is why we film at Mum and Dad's house, because they have rose petals in the freezer. And this is one damn fine looking drink. Can't wait for the taste test. So this is the finished product. It looks bloody amazing. Time to give it a taste. And of course you have to eat this with a tablespoon, or a teaspoon even. Okay, that is incredible. I'm transported back to Jerusalem. Let's see what Mum thinks. One more sip for me, babe. Okay, let's see what Mum really thinks of it. I haven't briefed her at all. Remember how nice it has to be. Good SAHLEB, isn't it?
Really good SAHLEB.
Right, see you next week, hopefully.